Good morning. Today I explain for topics coordinate geometry. This is a very important topics for 10th standard. What is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry, this is a 3D. First you think this is a x and this is a x dash and this is y and this is a y dash. X means this is a positive where x and y, here also x y, here also x y, here also x y, here x also positive number and y also positive. This is called first quadrant. And here x negative but y positive. This is called second quadrant. This is a x also negative, y also negative. This is called a third quadrant. And here x is positive while y is negative. This is a fourth quadrant. Okay. This is a first quadrant. First quadrant x coordinate also positive, y coordinate also positive. This is second quadrant, x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. This is a third quadrant, x coordinate negative, y coordinate also negative. But here x coordinate, fourth quadrant, this coordinate x positive but y negative. This all are fourth quadrant. Now here this is a x, this is a x dash, this is a y and this is a y dash. This is a origin 0 0 origin. If this terms come, this is a x positive and this come x negative. If you up or by, this is a positive and this side y dash is negative. Then here 2 point is there. First point is the distance of a point, the distance of a point from the x axis. The distance from a point from x axis, this distance here, this distance from the point for x axis is called y coordinate. Either ordinate. Second point is if the distance of a point from y axis is the distance of a point from y axis is called x coordinate, and this is a abscissa. Anyone ask what is The distance from a point the distance of a point from the x-axis is called y coordinate या ordinate, and pro- the distance of a point from a y-axis is called x coordinate. Just okay. This is a x and x dash axis. Here, if you point here is given, then x coordinate is given 3, but y coordinate is 0, because this is distance for only for x. If here given, here any point given, y point given, x point given 0, y point given 3. Here any here point any point given, just you think x and y 4 3 here given means x coordinate given 4 and y coordinate given 3. This is a 3D. Then this x coordinate means 4, y coordinate is 3. Then how what is used? So this is a use for any point in a space. You find out distance for any places, any find out distance for with respect of origin. Okay. Then if given here if I here given any point, then x dash is given negative 3 and y coordinate is 0. But here if given point y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is negative 3. If here given any point, both are positive. This is either you write 3 or 4. Means here x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 4. If here given x coordinate is negative 3, here x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 3. Here x coordinate is negative 3, y coordinate is positive 3. Here x coordinate is negative 3 and y coordinate also negative 3. Here x coordinate is 3 but y coordinate is negative 3. This both are positive. Here x is negative, y is positive. This direction both are negative. This is x positive, y negative. Here x negative, y positive. Just reverse. Here both are positive, here both are negative. Here x negative, here y negative. Just reverse. First reverse for third quadrant and second reverse for fourth quadrant. Now go for next topic, distance formula. Triangle PQR is a right triangle. Then PQ square equals to Q2 square plus PT square. Q2 value is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Distance formula is distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Triangle PQR is right angle. Then hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular plus base square. Q2 value is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Then distance equals to x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Now we start for distance formula. Distance formula. Just you think this is a x axis, this is x dash, this is a y, and this is a y dash. Okay, just here give one point P. Here just you give one point is Q. If you let P1 point is x1 and P2 point is x1 x1 coordinate and y1 coordinate. Q x2 coordinate and y2 coordinate. You find this distance. What is distance? So this is PQ. Okay. Then how can find this curve? First here you here mark here you mark R and here you mark one name is S. Then first you write what is, you think just this is a origin, this is a O. Then what is distance for OR? OR what is distance? X1. And what is distance for OS? OS. OS distance for X2. Okay. Then again you mark this here mark T. Okay. Then what is distance for ST? ST equals to PR, because this length and this length are equal. Then this is value for Y1. Okay. And SQ is full here equals to Y2. Okay. Then what is PT? PT. PT is what? Here full PT equals to OS minus OR. PT means what? This full distance you subtract for this distance, then come for PT means RS. Means what come? X2 minus X1. Then here what is Q2? QT. Same Y2 minus Y1. Okay. And this you think this is a right angle triangle. Triangle PQR is a right triangle. Then PQ square equals to Q2 square plus PT square. Q2 value is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Distance formula is distance equals to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Triangle PQR is right angle. Then hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular plus base square. QT value is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Then distance equals to x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. I give for some example for distance formula. Let's try how can find this distance formula for some questions. First question is P point is given 7, 5. Q point is given 9, 8. Find the distance PQ. Then how can solve this question? Just what is distance formula? Distance formula equals to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Then here you think this is a x1 and this is a y1. Here x2, this is a y2. How can solve square root x2 minus x1? Then 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 square. Here y2 minus y1. Here 8 minus 5 square. Then 9 minus 7 2 square. 8 minus 3 3 square. The root of square root. 2 2 are 2 square 2 4 plus 9. There this is a root 13. Distance is square root of 13. Approx 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter या meter. Note you marker. Note the distance of a point px y from the origin is 0 0. Then distance formula is x square plus y square. Any origin is given, here x comma y comma is given, then distance is under square root x square plus y square. Here question 1 is to the point 3 2 negative 2 negative 3 and 2 3 from a triangle formed. Question is this 3 point form a triangle? If so, name the type of triangle form. If form the triangle, then find out which type of triangle. Then how can solve this question? First, framing that pointer. This is a x, here x dash axis, this is a y, and here y dash axis. Here first point is given 3 2. Then at least you think 3 2 is here, because this quadrant is both is positive. Here negative 2 negative 3 means you think this here negative 2 and negative 3, x coordinate negative 2. Here another is another is also same 2 3 means same here 2 3. This is a formation. First you find out this type of triangle. Okay, this type of triangle. And what if you mention here name P, here mean Q, here mean R. First find out what is value of P Q. What is PQ value? PQ is what is PQ value? Under square root of 2 minus 3 square plus 2 minus 3 square minus 3 minus 2 square. Then how the distance formula? Distance formula is under root of square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, then find out 2 minus 3 negative 1 square is 1 plus 1 means answer come root square of 2. Then PQ is fine. Then again find out RQ. RQ is same, you find out RQ means Q minus 2 minus 2 square plus 3 minus 3. Then 2 positive 2 square plus 3 positive 3 square. Then 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Then square root of 13. Square root of 13. Then find out RP. Again you find out RP. RP again you find 3 negative 2 square plus 2 negative 3 square. Then 3 square root of 3 plus 2 square plus 2 plus 3 square. Then 5 square plus 25, 5 square 25, then square root of 50. Okay, then plus 9, 6 square 36, then this is come for 52, square root of 52, sorry. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square 16, 3 plus 3 6, 6 square for 52. Then here the sum of any two, the sum of any two sides distance the sum of two sides distance is greater than third side. Then this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Triangle PQR. Okay. The sum of two sides distance is greater than third side. This is a triangle PQR. Okay. Then which square root of 50 plus square root of 2 equals to add for 52 square root. Then 50 plus 2 equals to 52. Then which type of, this is a hypotenuse, this is a base, and this is a perpendicular. Perpendicular base square equals to hypotenuse square. This type of a right angle. Right triangle. But this is a PQR is a right angle triangle. PQR is a right angle triangle. How can solve this? This solve question. First you find out distance PQ, RQ and PR, and then you match which these three sides are equal. Two sides are sum greater than third side. This is a form of triangle, because this is a rule for triangle. If two sides add, the third side more greater than third side, if triangle is formed. Then here which type of triangle formed? You add a perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. This is this type of triangle, right triangle.